Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy, your real estate resource in the Silicon Valley. Thank you so much for tuning into my daily updates. Today we're going to talk about how these mortgage rates can impact your purchasing power. Now we all know the rates have gone up a little bit and they're going to go up according to the Feds. Now how does that impact you as a consumer? So basically what that means is, let's say if you qualify for a mortgage up to $2 million, okay? If the rates go up to another 0.5%, 1%, that number can come down from 2 million to maybe 1.8 million. So let's say if you qualify for a $2 million mortgage right now, a year ago you could have qualified for 2.2 million. And that's what it means. Now, I'm not seeing any impact on the real estate market because the rates have gone up, but we have no idea what's going to happen in the future. Nobody knows. Nobody has a magic wand. It just, at the end of the day, has to make sense with what you're looking for. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, that's what I'm here for. Let's brainstorm together and make it a good day. Bye-bye.